Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use dollar cost averaging for investing step by step clearly. To begin with, understand what dollar cost averaging, or DCA, is. DCA is an investment strategy that involves regularly purchasing a fixed dollar amount of an investment. The first step is to choose the investment you want to focus on. This could be stocks, mutual funds, or cryptocurrency, depending on your financial goals. Next, decide how much money you can allocate to this investment on a regular basis. Establish a consistent time frame for your investments, such as weekly or monthly. Set up a dedicated investment account, if you don't already have one. Make sure this account offers the option for automatic investments. Once your account is ready, schedule your initial investment. This is the starting point of your DCA strategy. After your first investment, continue to add funds according to your predetermined schedule. It's crucial to stick to the schedule, regardless of the market conditions. DCA helps mitigate the effects of market volatility by spreading out your purchases over time. This means you will buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when they are high. Monitor your investments occasionally, but avoid making impulsive changes. Reassess your strategy every few months to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals. Over time, DCA can build wealth while reducing the risk of investing a large sum at once. Finally, remember that patience is key. Successful investing typically requires time and consistency. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.